Hey guys, welcome back to our mom's channel. Today we are making Christmas cookies. Ingredients that we're going to use are these cookies, these Christmas cookie set, melted butter at room temperature, and an egg. Okay, and the tools you're going to need is a whisk, these cookie cutters, and these rolling pins, and this mat. Get started.
شو وقفت يلا.
So the first thing we're gonna use is this batter, the biscuit mix. Okay, I'll add half and then you add the other half. Yeah, just add all of it. We're gonna mix it for a bit and then we're gonna crack an egg when it's a little more consistency.
اوكي هذا خليه يصير زين بعدين يلا تحطون البيضة.
Now we're gonna I'm gonna crack the egg. Okay.
اوبس. يلا حطي ببطن الماعون عافية.
I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Yeah, extract. Is that little?
No, it's not extract. Normal banana. It's okay. يلا هسه. لا هسه خبطة يلا.
Okay.
أعتقد هسه لازم ماما تتدخل.
Right.
To the fridge.
1 hour later.
So we left this in the fridge for an hour. Now that we got it out, we're gonna put cornstarch on a flat surface and then
قليل مو هواي.
Is that good?
ايه مسحي. عافية. كامل السيرفيس كله. يس. يلا هسه حطي اهو.
Okay, now she's gonna put that on, and then when she puts it on, we're gonna
بعد حطي عليه نشا فاطمة.
بعد.
مو هواي ايه.
Now we're gonna roll it. Okay, and then you do the other side, yeah, Preston? Okay. So now we rolled it, and now it's 1 centimeter thin. Okay, so we chose these two decorations. I was gonna do the stocking, and I'm gonna do the gingerbread man. So we're gonna do it all over. Should I start?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
لا. ايه يلا هسه على السريع شيلي.
Uh-oh.
اه.
Oh no.
ضغط عليه بكامل ايدك. well done. حركيه مثل ما ماما قالت لك. ايه يلا اهو well done.
Okay, we put the shapes of the cookie tray into the tray with our mom's help using this. And now we're gonna make them, and then we're gonna cut them in half and color it with Where did the coloring go? I think so. Oh, it's in here. Let's first cut it in half. Should I cut it in half with this? Yes? Can I? I'll do it. So do this one. And now we need to... Actually, we do the blue side, this one. The set gave us this food coloring so we can make this candy cane. How do we open it? Yeah. Now we're gonna put a little drop.
حطي شوية وشوفي تجربي اللون.
Okay.
ايه بعد.
That.
يلا فاطمة عجني خبطي.
Get it. Make sure there's a red in the mouth. Do we need more food coloring? No. Okay, is that good enough?
Yes.
So this is my fingers are so red. So this is the dough that's red. Now we get, so now we're gonna roll it to be like this. I'm gonna do the red one and she's gonna do the white one. Okay, is that good?
Yes.
Should I do another one? Is this good? Yes. So, okay, now cut half of it. Nah. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Can I do this one? Okay, you do the first one. What?
هو على التخته إذا تريدين تسوي هو هنا إيه.
Okay.
well done.
Now I'm gonna make.
أوها
The cookies in the oven.
For 10 minutes.
And so now we finished baking these for 10 minutes. And these are the results. I made this one. I made this one.
Okay, try it guys. جربوه وقولوا لي.
I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one. Actually, Mama. Okay, go. Okay guys, so if you want to make these cookies with no eggs and from scratch, then follow my mom's Instagram.
Over here. The link is over here.
No, it's over here. Bye guys! So good. I love these cookies. How do we not even put sugar in this?